Knicks, the youngest team, folks, going against the best. So will it be glory or more purgatory for the Knicks tonight by the Warriors?
And Ntilikina gets the task of guarding Steph Curry, right now the hottest and highest scoring player in the NBA. Durant's first shot is good.
And he can help out. Jones not looking to score.
And Durant always makes it look so easy. Curry gets free.
Blunder by Hardaway. And Durant all alone. Statue of Liberty stuff.
Dotson is guarding Durant. Now Hardaway switches up. Curry hits another three.
That time Ntilikina fell asleep after I paid homage to his good defense. You look at Curry, elusive, abusive dexterity with the left.
Well, Knicks started hot, but now have gone cold.
Now they're tentative, Mike, apprehensive.
Curry again. Catch and release, his third three-pointer.
And duping along the baseline, right in front of the Warrior bench with the three ball. These folks are rebounding. Hasn't developed a shot yet, other than the alley-oop.
Shot's good, and one. Chance for a three-point play.
Just so erratic, Mike. Make one, miss three.
And Durant answers right back. Boy, Knicks just can't hit anything here in the second. Durant drives past Hardaway. Scoop layup is good. Vonleh out on the perimeter guarding Durant.
Durant shaking.
It's an unstoppable player at times. Curry from long distance. That's good. Flick of the wrist. Such athletic ability, defensive instincts. Curry drives and easily scores. Ties his career high. Knicks back up by 4. Curry wide open. Nails the three. His fifth. Green Durant toss. Durant gets a good look and nails the three-pointer.
Now it's Durant time.
Again. Kevin Durant from downtown. It's a 4-point Golden State lead. Durant drives on Hardaway, goes down a lane, running layup, scoring. Durant wants to go one-on-one against Dotson. Knocks it down. Vonleh, the latest defender to try and stop it. Durant, count it. Kevin Durant, another three-pointer. He's got 22 points in the period, now 38 for the game.
So Durant just dancing and prancing, romancing the crowd from everywhere.
Well, sacked for a long time. Durant fires away, and again! Kevin Durant lighting up the Garden. And it's a 20-point game.
Phenomenal extravaganza, offensive extravaganza by him.
So we'll take a quick timeout with 2:04 remaining. Golden State showing why they're the two-time defending champs.